This is the EWA A106 Bluetooth speaker. This model is one of the newer release, and it claims to be very small and powerful. And today, let's check it out. As we can see, the footprint of the box is already pretty small. We have the image of the speaker up front, and they call it the Indepth Bluetooth speaker. On the side is just the logos, and on the back we have a few specs. We can see this speaker is driven by a 3-watt driver and a 500 milliamp lithium battery. As we open the box, we see a green speaker inside, quite a bit different from the pictures outside here, but this is actually an included travel case. As you unzip this case, you can see the actual speaker inside. I gotta say, this is a very tiny speaker. I can literally hold this thing in my hand and make it disappear. It's actually not much bigger than my Canon DSLR camera battery, as you can see here. And that's moving on to the unboxing. We also have a ring clip right here that goes on the travel case pretty easily. Here's also a micro USB charging cable in flat noodle style. And last but not least, the user's manual. It is extremely simple and easy to understand. The body of the speaker is basically entirely made out of metal. I have the black color option. I believe they also offer the silver one. As we rotate around the body, we can see one button, which controls basically everything. And on the back, we can see a micro USB charging port. On the bottom of the speaker, we can see a base radiator. If you push lightly on it, it moves back and forth. The mesh on the top is also aluminum. The whole thing definitely feels premium when you handle it. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the EWA A106 Bluetooth speaker. And I'll start with pros. I have reviewed a couple mini cylinder-shaped speakers, but I didn't expect the A106 to be this small. Here's a regular size mini Canon speaker next to it as a comparison. This is truly compact to the extreme level. Craftsmanship of this speaker definitely amazed me. After I took the speaker out of the box, I was surprised that the unit has quite a bit of weight to it for something this tiny. Build quality is solid and premium, seems really durable. The onboard control is simple yet functional. One button design fits perfectly for the speaker, but you still have full control for your music playback. You can play, pause, skip, back up, pair, power on and off with just this button. The same button also serves as an LED indicator, me likey. The sound quality has to be the main pro point on this list. Despite being tiny as it is, the sound signature is actually very outstanding. There's a bass radiator at the bottom of the speaker. If you place the speaker upright on a desk or somewhere solid, the speaker resonates the surface and you get pretty good bass response, consider just how small it is. It's almost hard to believe something this small can play very loud. Sound won't distort too much, even at higher volume. Treble is also very crisp and clear from the A106. Vocals are nicely reproduced. The included travel case is obviously a nice touch. You can carry the speaker anywhere you go without worrying about the aluminum body getting scratched up. The sound also passes the mesh on the case quite nicely. There's no extra bells and whistles on the A106. You won't find a 3.5mm aux jack, a microphone, or SD card slot on this model. I personally think this applies to the A106 quite well. They focus on the size and the sound quality, and that's all I need and expect from this unit. And here's also one con. The travel case will kill the bass frequency if you decide to listen to music with it. Because the radiator will be blocked and have nothing to resonate with, you will pretty much get mids and treble. The case also doesn't make the speaker water resistant, so don't plan to use the case and bring it to the shower. And now here's a piece of sound demo from the A106. Use your headphones for better accuracy. Enjoy! Overall, under $15, you'll get a full metal, tiny size, good sounding speaker. It's incredible. I'm confident to say that this is a good deal. If If you're looking for more information of this EWA A106, you can click the link in the description box below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you next time.